Hey everyone, Justin here, and today we're going to turn this into this. And as you can see, today we're going to be using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound as well as Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. We're going to use the Ultimate Compound to get rid of most of the oxidation off the headlights, and we'll use the Ultimate Polish to get it looking nice and shiny. Now, there's several different types of waxes, etc. that you can use on the headlights after you're done doing the polish, but for today's example, we're going to use Simonez Headlight Polish Restorer. We're just going to start by taking some of the Ultimate Compound. Now when we get started, we're just going to kind of rub this around on the headlight a little bit, and then we'll just let the drill do the work. So, as you can see here, just kind of rub it in, pat it around, and we'll just get started. So that's one layer with the Ultimate Compound. Let's see what this thing looks like. You just buff it off. Step 2, get a fresh foamy pad, and we're going to use Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. And now we just buff off step number 2. And for the final step, we're going to use Simonez Headlight Restorer and a clean pad.
I got her.
Oh, isn't it awesome?
That makes me so sad.
Yeah. And now for the final product. What a difference, eh? Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Brand new headlight, about 10 minutes work. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.